Hi, I'm Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you Turkey in the Straw, a fun old bluegrass number. Turkey in the Straw uses 3 chords. We're going to use a G chord, a D7 chord, for that I use the easy D7, and a C. The strumming pattern I'm using is down, down, up, down, down, up. In Turkey in the Straw, I also use the U bass, and the U bass is tuned just the same as an upright acoustic bass. We have a low E, A, D, G, and since the song's in the key of G, you hardly even have to put fingers down. You go G, D, G, D. In the third part of the song, I do use the fiddle because it is a bluegrass number and it sounds really cool. I will also provide the sheet music for the tab of the ukulele solo playing the bluegrass solo. So have fun with it. Thanks so much. 1, 2, 1, 2, go. Well, I had an old hen and she had a wooden leg, just the best old hen that had ever laid an egg. Well, she laid more eggs than any hen on the farm. Not another little drink wouldn't do her any harm. Turkey in the straw, straw, turkey in the hay. Turkey in the straw, straw, what do you say? Pick 'em up, shake 'em up, anyway at all. Enjoy! If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.